festival. Today my friends and I will show you how we celebrate these festivals with love and joy all together as one big family.
Good morning everyone. Vannakam. Enna pyar Annapurna.
Today I will say about Pongal.
Pongal Tirunath Vallatugal. Pongal is a big and joyful festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu to thank the nature, the sun god, the animals and the farmers to harvesting new crops. Celebrated in month of January, usually from 14 to 17.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sivan. Sat Shri Akal ji saaryan nu. Today I want to tell you about Vaisakhi is the festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on 13th April. People wear colourful clothes, share sweets and dance. Eko ka sanna karta pura kanet po nipe kanulet ajuni se pank kupasat jab asach chukat sach happy such nak khushi be such. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Everyone, I am Jagi. I am from Goa. I will tell you about Goa Carnival. It is a fun and colorful festival. People wear masks and pretty dresses. There are parades, music and dancing. It is a time of joy and celebration. Everyone has lots of fun in Goa Carnival. Happy Goa Carnival to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Today I'll say a few lines about Eid. Eid is a festival of joy, love and togetherness. It is celebrated by Muslims all around the world. On this day, people wear new clothes and go to the mosque to offer prayers. Families enjoy delicious food, especially Sivan. People greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak and share sweets and gifts. Eid teaches us to be kind, thankful and to care for others. Let us spread happiness and respect all festivals equally. Thank you. Namaste, Dakila Gaj, Borosake Thore, Asi Chiraja, Logeni no Asa Jabaj. Namaskar everyone. My name is Jagi from KG2C. Today I am going to say about Raja festival. Do you know Raja is a festival of Odisha? It's a festival for girls and mothers. We wear new dresses and eat yummy pithas and pan. And we play on swings and have lots of fun. It celebrates Mother Earth and her beauty. Happy Raja to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Namaskar. My name is Sivan from KG2B. Today I will say about Ratha Jatra. Ratha Jatra is a big festival in India. Lord Jagannath and Lord Subhadra and Lord Balabhadra go on a ride their Mausi house. Their Mausi house also known as Gundicha temple. Ratha Jatra teach us love, devotion and togetherness. Chatur Puja Jagannatha Kantha Sobr Kaustuba Padmanabha Vedagarbha Chandra Suchu Vilokana Jagannatha Lokanatha Niladris Parahari Dinabandhu Daya Sindhu Kupalu Chana Rakshaka Jai Jagannath Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice
Khamba Ghali is a joyful festival celebrated in Rajasthan, where women dress in colourful clothes, especially green and red, and decorate their hands with henna. They sing, dance, and enjoy singing on decorated swings. This festival honors the divine union of Ganesh Parvati and Lord Shiva, symbolizing love and devotion. Dhanyabad. Jai Garvi Gujarat. Hello everyone, I'm Priyan from Gujarat. Navratri is a colourful and joyful festival. People wear traditional dresses and they dance in Dandiya Garba. There's music, lights, and lots of celebration. It's a festival of devotion and happiness. Everyone enjoys Navaratri with great excitement. Happy Navaratri to all. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar everyone. Kemon acha. I am Bhuvika Das and you know which state I'm representing. Right, it's Bengal, my beautiful state. Our big festival is Durga Puja. We pray to Ma Durga and have lots of fun. Boys wear dhotis, kurtas and girls wear pretty sarees. We love to eat fish curry and rice. Bengal is also famous for Rasgulla. Jai Ma Durga and thank you. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, how fun is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Yes, you guessed it right. My name is Shriram. I'm here to talk about Christmas. Do you know Christmas was celebrated on 25th of December? It is birthday for Jesus. Christians celebrate on Christmas with joy. We decorate the Christmas trees with stars and lights. Santa Claus brings cakes and chocolates. We sing, we dance, eat yummy cakes. I love Christmas very much. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.